India's ambitious claims of advancing its hypersonic missile technology are facing growing skepticism as the technical shortcomings and the heavy reliance on the foreign expertise raise doubts about the program's true capabilities. Despite the announcements, defense analysts say that India's hypersonic missile project, which is meant to position it as a global leader in the advanced weapons technology, is marred by numerous challenges that undermine its credibility. All parties Hurriyat Conference and other Hurriyat leaders have sharply condemned the India's actions in occupied Kashmir, asserting that Kashmir's disputed status remains undeniable by New Delhi or any other global power. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, strongly criticized Umar Abdullah's remarks during the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent visit to occupied Kashmir. In a fresh vlog, India's defense analyst Dinesh K. Vora highlighted the alarming military advancements being made by Pakistan, which he claims is now upsetting the India's defense strategy. While India has historically viewed the Pakistan army as not a significant threat due to its focus on the China corridor, Vora suggests that this perception is rapidly changing. Due to narrow-mindedness and the series of missteps, India is increasingly losing strategic ground both militarily and diplomatically, from Ladakh's frozen standoff with China to deteriorating relations with the Bangladesh. The latest debacle occurred in Ladakh, where the Indian Army's decision to install an image of the Krishna and Arjun against the backdrop of the Pangong TSO symbolizes a retreat and humiliation for India. Global spotlight on India's Hindutva-driven policies continues to intensify as the Foreign Policy magazine exposes the Modi regime's use of bulldozers as the tools for extrajudicial violence against the minorities, particularly the Muslims.